Hey Amigos!
Hey amigos! Hola! Whoa, look at the ocean! Ocean in Spanish is océano. It's full of plants and sea animals. Do you know how to say sea animals in Spanish? It's animales marinos. Say it with me. Animales marinos. Muy bien. Let's try again. Otra vez. Animales marinos. Great. I have an idea. Would you want to explore the ocean with me and see what animales marinos we can find? You do? Great! Let's go and explore. Look at the fish! Fish in Spanish is pez. It has such beautiful colors. Help me say hi to the pez in English and then in Spanish. Say, hi pez, hola pez with me. Are you ready? Hi pez, hola pez. Muy bien. Let's keep swimming and see what else we can find. Look, it's a dolphin. Dolphin in Spanish is Delfín. Let's say hi to the dolphin. Hi, dolphin. Hola, Delfín. Muy bien. Let's keep going. Look, it's a sea turtle. Sea turtle in Spanish is Tortuga Marina. Let's say hi to the sea turtle. Hi, sea turtle. Hola, Tortuga Marina. Wow, it's so graceful. Let's keep exploring and see what else we can find. Oh, look over there. It's a starfish. Starfish in Spanish is Estrella de Mar. Help me say hi to the starfish. Hi, starfish. Hola, Estrella de Mar. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's keep swimming. Maybe we'll find another animal. Oh, look! It's a little seahorse. Seahorse in Spanish is Caballito de Mar. Help me say hi to the seahorse. Hi, seahorse. Hola, Caballito de Mar. Muy bien. It's so small and cute. Let's keep swimming. Oh, do you see those tentacles? It's an octopus. In Spanish, we say un pulpo. Help me say hi to the octopus. Hi, octopus. Hola, pulpo. Wow, so many tentacles. Whoa! What's that? Oh, there's a shark! Let's get away! Quick! Swim fast! Oh, wait. I think he just wants to say hi. Help me say hi to the shark. Shark in Spanish is Tiburón. Hi, shark. Hola, Tiburón. It has big teeth. Let's keep going and see what we can discover. Oh, whoa! It's a whale. Whale in Spanish is ballena. Help me say hi to the whale. Hello, whale. Hola, ballena. It's so big! ¡Qué grande! Oh, let me swim back to the top. I am tired. Let's go! Oh, wow! That was so fun! The sea and mar has such beautiful animales marinos. We found 8 of them. Do you remember what we saw? Let's say them in Spanish. We saw a fish, un pez, a dolphin, un delfín, a sea turtle, una tortuga marina, a starfish, una estrella de mar, a seahorse, un caballito de mar, an octopus, un pulpo, a shark, un tiburón, and a whale, una ballena. I hope you enjoy swimming through the océano with us. It was so much fun. See you next time, amigos. Adios.